And when him pull the blood clad door, you see girl like Shelly and my tongue. Suppress out the knife big. Suppress out the knife big. Me say the man I put him man in my bosom and then the paper just come out in him blood clad. The water something just come out in him blood clad. When me say, come back again now, me say, everybody start work when him they know me say right now. Me go on the Facebook you know. When me go on the Facebook you know, me and one boy I text me and say, yo baby. And me and the boy I text every night. And me I use movement picture I turn him in a idiot, you know, girl. And me and the boy I text every night. Me I text every night. Me and the boy I do phone sex. Like the boy I say, send me a pum pum baby. And me just get a pum pum, my love. And just send him the pum pum, me dear. And when me send him the pussy, bumbo clap, baby, your pussy pretty, the weather, baby. Oh, your pussy pretty, so man want fuck you, you know, baby. I walk one. I say, baby, your pum pum pretty, so baby. Fuck more, fuck you, you know, baby. I walk one, yes, so. I walk one a while ago. What happened a while ago? It look like something funky I go on. Look like something, oh, I see you. Beg something now? Beg 200. Can't beg 200. I don't know what just happened a while ago. Something look like it went funky.
No. Hello?
No. Okay, one bottle.
Okay. Yeah, I have
Something. We are play one battle with her.
one battle.
What's that? What's that? Mayonnaise?
Ranch. Why are you looking at me like that? You've never seen ranch before?
I'm just staring. Always staring. Always look kinky.
Get a good look. Just take a picture, bro.
Or?
You're staring so hard, man.
No, I'm just ever stare. Me's a staring person.
Look, you got scared, yeah. Scared, yeah. Time to pack up. Oh,
Thank you, baby. Come my side. Forward, please. Forward, please. Guys, forward. Oh!
stop barking at me, bro. Meow instead. Man, I'm tired of staring at you all the time. Say something. Alright, bro. Yo, 2 times. Jump on 2 times.
Come my side. 2 times. Come. Come my side. Double. Better than some band double, auntie. Auntie, better than some on the double. Double.
Yo, how is
Jesus
he
Christ.
right now?
Double. Oh my God. Double. Thank you, Auntie Wampum. Double.
Yeah, hell nah. What'd you eat today?
Oh, burger.
Huh?
Burger.
What's that?
Burger.
What is that, bro?
Burger.
Oh, you said burger. Verga. What kind of burger was it? From where?
Don't ask me a story, done or what. Beg you one rose. Me I play too much. I afraid for give me a rose. My girl not stray and ask me nothing. Leave my people them for ask me things. Where you are, my girl? And the beard, yeah, man. Go on the beard and wipe your body good, man. You see me, I talk to my people and wife me play a match. You not even gift me. You ask me the story done. Beg you a rose now. I must say you a report the live a while ago. And you did a report the live. My girl go on here. Thanks to the rose, baby. My side, them like snipe. We can't make them snipe. Them like snipe.
That was a lie, bro. Ain't no way he's winning right now, bro. Ain't no fucking way, yo. Ain't no
Them
fucking
like snipe. Alex, them not no gloves, cause you ever want to use gloves, you know? Oh, them not no gloves.
Yo, everybody in this live double taps. And it's like this. Drop on him. Drop it on his head, bro. We literally just need a galaxy.
I lie, I tell we are drop it in your head. Thanks, heroes, auntie.
I always got something to say. Like, damn. Stop barking at me, bruh. Act normal for once. Y'all, drop it on his head,
Uncle
bro. I
Wally.
can't lose to him. He's literally growling at me, bro. Do you bite or something?
Alright, my side, watch it snipe. Them like snipe.
Snipe, please.
My side, them like snipe. Oh, I guess they don't have the sniper tonight. Thanks, everybody. Thanks. Thanks, everybody. Thanks. 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 Everybody, thanks. 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 Everybody, thanks.
Oh, yeah, we're running
Okay,
it
I'm
back.
playing.
Y'all,
I'm
come
playing
on.
one more with you. Listen, one more with you and I go, right? One more with you. This one and then we go. So try win this one.
I am gonna win this one. What do you mean?
Stand up on the chair.
You stand up on the chair.
You first stand up and then I stand up.
For what?
Just stand up and me tell you.
No.
Yes.
How about you stand up?
No, me first tell you for stand up. So you first stand up.
My legs don't work.
Oh, your legs don't work?
Mm-mm. Bro, you bugging out, gang? Stop looking at me like that. Yeah, I can't do this, bro.
Come, auntie, come we win that game and go well for auntie.
Bombastic side eye.
Come we catch a double 5 rows, please.
Este, like...
5 person, 5 rows, please. Come
Yeah,
we win
5
that one and go well for 5
drop
person,
it on
5
his head
rows,
real
please.
quick. Like, you really just gotta drop, bro.
Alright. Let me drop it in our head. Stand up.
Gang.
Wait for the double, auntie. Auntie, wait for the double. Thank you, Nico. Wait for the double, auntie. Wait for the double.
Drop it. Keep playing out doubles, y'all. We don't have doubles. Come on, y'all.
Double. Everybody double. Double, auntie, double.
Guys, we gotta snipe,
Thank you,
y'all.
baby girl. Want me a long time. I not hear from you, no, baby. Double. All right. Big up your damn self, baby. Double.
How is
Thank
he
you
winning
for that,
now,
baby.
bro? How
Want
is he
me.
winning?
Thank you for that, baby. Want me a long time. I not see you. Some of my friend them from England. England, the girl I come from, you know. Some of the England people, them up in their man in there. Thank you, baby. Double. Come on, we use up a double pan, right? We can have an angler with the double.
Y'all, come on. Double.
Come on, an angler with the double. Thank you for that, not the baby. Thank you for your fingers, sweetie. Emmy, what, ma? Emmy, me think you're there, baby, no, baby. Think you're there, baby. Think you're there, bed, baby girl. Me make sure come on late, you know, baby girl, because when me come on, me and the girls, them carrying a problem a morning, you know, so when the girls, them come on that morning, me know, me have to take night shift, because me have my England people, them. I may have my foreign people them. I may have some people when I sleep until I go on my bed. So I have to take them the night.
He said he working while y'all sleep. Lazy bums.
No.
That's what he said, guys.
On.
Don't let him fool y'all.
Hey, stand up.
He said get your money up, not your funny up.
Stand up. Get up. Get up.
What?
Get up.
No.
Why?
Fucking fool like that.
All right, get up, please. Stand up, please.
No.
So you're not standing up?
What? No, for what?
How old are you? 20?
Why?
Because why come before Z? You're more 20, 22? Guys, them are the snipe. Me or them attack. Them are the snipe.
Now, can someone snipe this, bro? I love you forever. Ain't no way we're losing.
Them are the snipe. Thank you, auntie.
W snipe with the rose.
Thanks, everybody. Thanks. You're more 20, 21, 22.
I'm 54.
54?
Yeah. Yeah. Why
Thanks, everybody. Thanks. What?
Thanks, everybody. Thanks.
You how much?
What?
54?
Yeah, I'm 54.
You're a liar. I'm not going to play no more game with you. Because you're telling a lie now. He's not 54.
Who said? I'm 54. 3 kids.
Where is your married ring?
Huh?
Where is the married ring?
I'm not married. I'm actually currently looking for a baby daddy.
Oh, what about me?
You?
What about me?
Oh shit! I mean,
Eh? What about me? My girl, left your blood clot comment, no man. Yeah? Want to me?
I mean, if you want to. Speechless. I like the hat, bruh.
Thank you, auntie. What you say?
Your hat.
So you had to drop your number?
You want me to drop my number?
Yeah.
Where? Actually, I'll give it to you right now. Just write it down.
No, that's not a real. That number going to be a fake number.
No, it's not. Ready?
No, it's a fake
Yeah,
number.
pen and pencil. Hurry up.
That is a fake number.
Bruh, hurry. Damn. Ready?
Okay, go ahead. Cause I know that number
Okay.
fake.
9 1 1. Just call that number. I'll pick up.
Hey, I will go on bad pie now. Don't make me go on bad enough. I will go on bad enough. Anyway, later, I like you though. I would have fuck you. Okay, later.